Welcome to my channel. Stay tuned if you want to see how I installed and wand curled this kinky straight unit.
When I see you, I go nuts. Please, baby girl, let me touch on them cocoa nuts. Let me get the milk with a cocoa puffs. Feeling kind of freaky, get the go-go cups. Oh shit, we're Inspector Gadget. I don't even know, but I be done had it. Listen, from your life, I'm what's missing.
Alright, so jumping straight into the video, this wig is going to be from ILIKEHAIR. I'm showing you everything that I received in the package as well as the wig. It is a 13x4 kinky edges HD lace frontal. The length that I am wearing in this video is going to be 22 inches. I did already bleach and pluck the unit. So starting off, I'm just straightening up my bald cap. I went ahead and added makeup to the lace, and now you'll just see me putting it on. Now, I personally don't have 4C edges, but this is still very natural looking. So as I'm hot combing the hair back just to make it lay flatter, there is a space between the hairline and the actual edges, but I was able to make it work, so it still came out looking very nice. And here is a close-up of it. So for this unit, I'm only doing 2 layers of glue around the entire perimeter of my head, and then once the glue dries clear, then I will go ahead and lay down the lace into the glue.
Well, it's completely my future. Her nigga behind me right now asking for ass and shit. And I'ma need that $40 even if I gotta fuck, suck, and swallow. Hit the parking lot, cause I was park on followed by a married man and father of 3. My titties bounce on the cadence of his tingling keys. Matter of fact, he my favorite cause he tipped me with ease. He got a cousin named David and I seen him last week. This is the life of another girl damaged by the system. These foster homes, I run away and never do miss them. See my hormones just run away, and if I can get them back to where they used to be, then I'd probably be in the denim of a family gene that show women how to be woman. Or better yet, a leader. You needed to learn something, then you probably need to.
And as I'm combing the lace into the glue, you can see how natural the unit looks with the edges.
My sister died in vain, but what point are you trying to gain if you can fit the pumps I walk in? I'll wait. Your rebuttal a little too late, and if you have an album date, just make sure I'm not in the zone, cause I don't need the attention. Bring enough of that on my own. As a matter of fact, did I mention that I physically feel?
Once I'm finished pressing that lace in, I'll go ahead and use the elastic band that was provided to me and leave that on for about 15 minutes. And once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and start cutting the lace. So with this unit, the easiest way that I found out to cut this lace is to part out the edges that you don't want to keep and then start cutting the lace.
You made that?
So now that the unit is looking a lot more like my natural texture, I am going to go in and trim down some of the baby hairs because they are just slightly long.
Now I ain't no dummy to think I'm above criticism, so when I see something that's valid, I listen, but shit, it's something about the queen tone that's bothering me. She strike me as somebody blessed enough to grow up in conscious environment with parents that know about the struggle for liberation.
And once we're done with that portion, I'll go in with the same makeup that I used to put under the lace, and I'll go around the hairline, making sure that I'm not putting it on the actual edges, but rather on the lace. And then I'll go in with my black dye pen and just go around the hairline just to make it look fuller. Once we're finished with all those extras, I'll go ahead and melt it with my hairspray, and then I'm lightly tapping it in, and then I'll leave on the band for another 15 minutes. And now it's giving scalp. So moving on to the styling portion of this video, I didn't want to flat iron it because I didn't want to take away from the kinky straight and the fullness. So what I'm doing is I'm going in with my hot comb. It is on 430, I believe, and I'm just going through the hair. And then I also wand curled this unit, but I filmed that after I did my outro. So in my outro, I'll have straight hair. At first, I didn't want to make a side part, but I felt like it was probably best once I started doing the wand curls. I'm taking my wand curler, and I think it's about 1 inch, and I'm just taking small-ish sections, and you'll see me just going throughout my hair. And other than that, that's about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned until the end to see how these wand curls came out and where you can find this wig.
For this shit, might take a life for this shit. Put the Bible down and go out for a knife for this shit. DOT, my enemy won't catch a vibe for this shit. Ayy, I've been stumped down in front of my mama. My daddy commissary made it to commas. Bitch, all my grandma's dead, so ain't nobody praying for me. I'm on your head. Ayy, 30 millions later, no the feds watching. Auntie on my telegram like be cautious. I be hanging night dams, I be on Stockton. I don't do it for the gram, I do it for Compton. I'm willing to die for this shit, nigga. I take your fucking life for this shit, nigga. We ain't going back to broke, family selling dope. That's why you many ass rap niggas better know. If I gotta slap a pussy ass nigga, I'ma make it look sexy. If I gotta go hard on the bitch, I'ma make it look sexy.
Alright, so that's honestly it. I didn't do anything to the edges, obviously. I'm gonna keep it in this like natural texture. Here you can see the other side. I mean, this melted really, really, really nice. This hair is from ILIKEHAIR. ILIKEHAIR. I'll have the link in the description, and that is going to be it for this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely check out their website down below. Thank you for watching.
I ain't with that nonsense.